Yes, student. Now here I tell you how you can do the installation of Python in your Android smartphone so that those students not having laptop they can go for the smartphone. But here I suggest you for the professional development you have to use your desktop or laptop for the programming. But if you don't have any choice, if you don't have the computer, then you have to go to your smartphone. So here if you are installing Python, you just open the Play Store, and here I have actually already opened this. Hello dear student. Now here in this tutorial I guide you how you can do the Python installation in your smartphone. But it is better if you do the installation in your computer because as a professional developer for programming purpose you have to use laptop, desktop like that. But if you don't have the choice, then you can go for the smartphone. So here in the Android smartphone there is a Play Store. Here you just open the Play Store and you have to search Python. So as here I have already written the Python, some options are coming Python 3 ID for Python 3. So you just select this and straight away you have to install that Python 3 ID for the Python 3. So I just hit on OK, and now the installation is going on. It is total around 50 MB size, so it will take few seconds or the few minutes for the installation. It depend on the net speed of your device. So here the downloading process is almost over, and after that it will start installing. So here as the downloading process is over, so it will take some time for the installation process. So after the scanning from your Android smartphone, you just open it and you see the installation is going on. It will take few seconds. So here the once this installation is over, you are ready to type the code. So here suppose if I write print, and you need a bracket for that. So in double quote, so here it's my hi message. Now the question comes how to run that. So downside here you see the triangular circle is there. Yes, inside the circle there is your arrow direction is there. You can say you just click there, and after that you are getting the output hi. Okay, so this is your program. And suppose you type one more statement like print, and then again you have to use brackets. So in that double quote, inside the double quote, then whatever you type, suppose I am typing my name. Okay, so I have here two statement, print hi and print my name. So you see here you are getting the two output, hi and Suraj. So then again you can go back, and suppose you want to save this code, here you select the third option save, and whenever you want to open you have to select the second option open, and if you want the new screen you just click on new option, and once again you can type the code. So I hope dear student you now got understood how you can do the code for Python in your smartphone. So if you have doubt you have to just comment me. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.